Alright guys, come with me. I have a garage sale haul. So, okay, this is going to be hard, but we're going to try. Alright guys, let's try to do this. You sleep. So I got some for my daughter and some for my son. So let's go through it. My daughter is 3, but I got a lot of 4T and 5T for her, so she could grow into it. So, shh, 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 shh. Okay. All right. First things first. This cute 5T shirt. Really good. It's like a lot of these are like brand new. So, 5T. This is gonna be hard with the baby. And then, guys. Okay, restart. I got a lot of like brand new socks and like brand new girl underwear. Like a lot. These were all brand new, and my daughter's 3, so if you know, you know. She's constantly going through underwear. Okay, next we're gonna do pajama outfits, because like I'm kind of obsessed with pajama outfits, and I had to get like all of them. Okay. She's 3, but I get 4T. I go up. So I got 14, 5T for her. So super cute. A 5T pajama set. So cute. It literally looks like it's never been worn. Another set. So cute. Another one. 5T. Looks brand new. Pajama set. Matching pants. Love. Okay, these are one of my favorite ones. 5T matching pants. So cute. She'll be able to grow right into these. Okay, I'll be quicker with these ones. So another pajama set. Minnie Mouse shirt and Minnie Mouse pants. So cute. And then another one. These ones are both 4T pajama set. Okay, and then a couple more sets. Got this one. So cute. And then this one, which is so pretty. Minnie Mouse. Love that. Another Minnie Mouse. And this one's a shorts one, so I'm very excited she could wear this summer. So cute. Matching outfit. And then another one. Paw Patrol course with matching shorts. So cute. I love a good matching set. And then unicorns. Matching. So cute. Okay, then next, we're going to Put-in-Bay for July 4th. So, I found this, and it's so cute. It's gonna be a little big on her, I think. Maybe a little bit too big, hopefully not. Cute. Okay, and then some shorts. Just some biker shorts. Cutie, cutie. my back's hurting. This cute outfit. Adorable. Okay, and then shirts is the last thing, so. And all of these literally look so new. This one has the tags on it right now. These are 4T and 5T. A little tank. So cute. This one literally has the tags on it. One of my favorites. Love it. So cute. Oh my goodness. Had to get a Paw Patrol in there. Care Bear. Love Care Bears. And Minnie Mouse. Okay, on to my sons. If you guys know, it's so hard finding boys' clothes. So, it's definitely not as much as my daughter's, but we did find some nice things. So, I got him a lot of 5T because they didn't have any 6T. So, he's 5 years old and he'll be able to wear it this summer. Cute. He needed some shorts. Okay, shirts. Which we got a lot of good. Literally Nike. Looks so good. This one was a $5 one, but it's so nice and cute. This was another $5 one, but I couldn't pass it up. So nice. And then I love these kind of, I'm really picky about the fabric. Like I like these kind of stuff. This was another $5. It has a tag on it. So cute. I had to get this one because he's obsessed with Legos. And then, of course, a Paw Patrol one. Okay, and now is pajama sets, of course. My favorite, as you can see. So, Mario, he loves these. And they're 5T. And then we got construction. Love those. Another Mario set. That is a short set. He is gonna love this. I'm glad I got this one. And then Lilo and Stitch. And oh, it's just like a Disney one. It's really cute and very soft. And one more set. Whoop. It is a shark set. Very cute. Looks brand new. And that's all. That's what I got garage sailing today. Let me know if you guys like these videos. I think I'm gonna go back tomorrow because I got so much good stuff. But bye guys.